What a wonderful train portrait. This really belongs in a frame. So I'm going to look and see what I have for frames. But this is part of an auction find. And this is the only picture that was in it. The rest were a bunch of magazine papers and stuff. But this is the only portrait that was in there. And it's so beautiful that it definitely needs to be in a frame. Okay, if you look, it says right here, published by Carrier and Ives. Then it says, entered according to Act of Congress in the year 1871 by Carrier and Ivens in the office of Librarian of Congress at Washington. Okay, and it's American Railroad Scene. I mean, look at this. God, in those old days, huh? Clearing the tracks. They didn't have everything that was modern like they do today. They had to get off their shovels and clear the tracks so the train could go through. Isn't that something? And look at the train. Whoa. Ain't that a beauty? What a beautiful train. So I gotta look and see what I have. Is that the smoke coming right up? There's the mountains. All the winter snow on the trees. Beautiful winter scene. And that people right there. This is just so beautiful. Beautiful portrait for sure. Alright. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to share this video here with others who enjoy pictures of the old trains and how life used to be. Alright. Bye-bye now.